Good evening friends, today's date is 29 September 2010 and today's video topic is containment in Java. Containment in Java. Let's we have to know about what is containment. Containment is known as part of inheritance. There are two inheritance part of also. There is one has is a relationship and second one is has a relationship. And the has a relationship is also known as containment and also known as aggregations. And let's we have to see the how what is the containment. If a class can have entity reference, it is also known as containment. And content represents has a relationship. As a aggregation represents a containment or aggregation is represent also known as a relationship. For example, then when we have to use of the containment or aggregation, it can be code reuse is also best achieved by the aggregation when there is no relationship. In inheritance should be used to be only if the only use if the inheritance if the relationship is maintained throughout the lifetimes of the object involved. Otherwise aggregation is a best choice. Then we have to see the one example of the some situations, like one we can take the employee objects contain many information such as id, name, email id, etc., and the address also. It contains more objects name as address, which contains its own information such as city, state and country, zip codes, etc. It is also possible. Then we have to see we can declare the some class employee and variable some integer id, name, string name and the address and address. Then why use of aggregation means for the reusability of the course. We can take the another one example of the operations also. Class operations and int square int x n is equal to, in curly braces, return n into n. Then bracket complete, we can take the another class circle and we can declare the variable of double pi is equal to 3.14, and we can take one method of area, double area int radius. In bracket we can create the object op is equal to new operations and int r square is equal to op dot square and radius. This is also known as the reusability of the course, means that radius value can be passed into the constructor, and the op is an object of the calling to the square methods, and it will be square, and return we can pi into r squares. This will be stored into the r squares. And we can take the main methods circle c is equal to new circles, means we can create the one object of c and pass the we can pass the value of that variable double result is equal to c dot area into 5. We can pass that value 5 into that area, and int radius 5 will be passed to that int radius of the area methods, and in this object is created, and we can pass to that construct in the body of that method op dot square into 5. This will be 5 square, and then passing to the multiply with the pi value. Then it shows the output of the 78.5. Then understanding the meaningful, we can say aggregations of example like public class address and string city, state and country. And we can take the method, so one is address, public address, and string city, string state and string country. And we can using these keywords because we have to constructors or the parameters value to the instance variable. We can pass this value into this dot city is equal to city, this dot state is equal to state, and this dot country is equal to country. This all the parameters value can pass to that instance variable, and we can create one class, another one class, public class emp. Int id, we can take the three variables int id, string name and the address of address. Then we can take the one constructor of that emp and pass that constructor, and the value will be passed by using these keywords to the instance to block to instance. Then we can show the method display. All the methods can be shown into the display methods, and we can create the two objects of that address class, address address A1 is equal to new address, and we can pass the 3 of value of that address, state and country, and address also, city name. And we can create one object, two objects of the employee class. We can create the emp e is equal to e1 is equal to new emp, and we can pass that all the 3 value, and the same second another one object we can pass the same another value. We can call to this method e dot display and e2 dot display. It will be passed to that construct methods automatically, and it shows the the output. This is also known as the reusability of the codes. It is also known as aggregation or a hazard relationship. Thank you very much.